Today we are making Thin Mint ice cream. Oh yeah, look at that. Looks like the water through Chicago on St. Patty's Day. And now it goes into the fridge to chill. I kind of lost count of how many drops of food coloring I put in. Always put in more than you think you'll need. Make it a little darker than necessary because it's gonna turn lighter in the churning process. Our base is chilled and ready to go. This is 4 cups of whole milk, 4 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, 6 tablespoons of dry milk powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of xanthan gum, 6 tablespoons of light corn syrup, 3 teaspoons of peppermint extract, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and 20 drops of food coloring. I usually do about 15 drops of green and about 5 of blue. So here we go. Ooh, minty fresh. This is the dark chocolate from Aldi. It's so good. I just eat it usually right out of the bag. But today we are going to chop up some of the chocolate chips to mix in with our Thin Mint ice cream. Ta-da! Usually I use this for chopping nuts, but it works great for chocolate chips too when you need to cut them into smaller pieces. Can't have Thin Mint ice cream without Thin Mints, right? Well, sort of. I use the grocery store brand that they carry year-round, so sorry Girl Scouts, they'll never know. But make sure that you freeze them before you crush them. This will keep them from gumming up the plastic and getting all stuck together, and then they'll be good and cold for when you layer them into the ice cream. Ooh, it's like toothpaste, but delicious. Ice cream is all about the layers. All about the layers. Layer of chocolate bits, dark chocolate bits. Put in crushed Thin Mint cookies. Like soft serve. Last layer and into the freezer. Woohoo! Thanks for watching.